Before beginning assembly of your office chair, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Place the connecting bars onto one of the frames. Slide the second frame onto the connecting bars. With a Phillips screwdriver, attach the armrest. Align the rods on the backrest with the holes on the armrest. With a hammer or mallet, tap around the highlighted areas. Turn the chair over and fasten the seat cushion. Then, firmly press in each caster until you hear a click. You're now ready to enjoy your new chair.